Mario Loya's Bike Check 2013, the Benny 1 Fit. For bars, he has stock fit bars, 8.25 rise, I believe. Fit Vans grips. Huh? 8.3, my bad. He has the Odyssey Lincoln, the sickest stem out there. Fucking badass. Fuck you, Mario. He has a Fit headset, stock, Fit stock forks, Shadow Conspiracy Little One peg, Revenge hubs, with normal black spokes with the Fit dish, and then Odyssey Twisted PC pedals with stock Fit cranks and a stock Fit sprocket with a Shadow Conspiracy half link chain. With the back peg, it's a Bone Death, a back Revenge hub, just normal spokes, and a Fit red dish. That's it. Oh, and a stock Fit seat.
Yeah. That's my bike.